Imagine you are speaking and sharing an idea that matters to you when someone suddenly talks over you and steals the conversation. Most people react by talking louder or faster, trying to fight for attention. But this only makes them look insecure and upset. A Stoic chooses a different path by staying calm and using silence as strength. Instead of reacting, you stop speaking the moment you are interrupted and let the other person talk, which quietly exposes their impatience and lack of control. This kind of silence is not weakness, it is power, because it shows you are not shaken and do not need to compete for attention. The Stoics believe that true strength is self-control, not loud words, and that listening is often more powerful than speaking. When someone interrupts you, do not see it as a defeat, but as a chance to protect your inner peace. Your goal is not to embarrass or win against them, but to stay composed and dignified by calmly pausing or saying something simple like, "I see you want to speak. Go ahead." You take control without aggression. In that moment, you remain the master of yourself, and that calm authority speaks louder than any argument. These responses are calm and polite, but they carry strong meaning because they show confidence and self-control. When you say you will wait, you show that you are not rushing or competing, and that you will return to your point when the other person is done. Saying, "Please finish, then I will finish," calmly sets fairness and shows you respect order without getting emotional. Sometimes the best response is silence, where you stop talking, look at the interrupter calmly, and let them speak until they run out of words. Then continue exactly where you left off, showing their interruption had no power over you. In stronger cases, asking a calm question like whether they interrupted because they thought you were done or because they did not want to listen forces them to reflect on their behavior without anger. If needed, you can clearly set a boundary by calmly saying you are not finished, stating it as a simple fact rather than a complaint. You can also gently give them space by acknowledging their passion and letting them speak first, which often removes their urge to interrupt. The key in all these situations is not to win an argument, but to protect your dignity and inner peace. When you stay calm, speak less, and choose silence or measure words, people begin to listen more. By respecting your own silence, you teach others to respect your voice, and this is the true Stoic path of strength and composure.